one. One holds a universal significance. One represents singularity and excellence. Odoo strives to provide a singular, integrated solution for businesses, encompassing a wide array of application from accounting to CRM, all under one roof. To delve into the infinite possibilities of Odoo, the community of more than 5,000 developers, enthusiasts, Odoo customers, entrepreneurs, business leaders, partners, and end users came under one roof at the Odoo Community Days, India. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to every participant, speaker, and organizer who contributed to the success of the Odoo Community Days India. Thank you for being part of this remarkable experience. See you next year.